So I installed that bird feeder 1.5 weeks ago, and I have actually a special seed for finches. And the yellow finch actually came visiting us exactly 2 hours after I installed that bird feeder. And I installed it actually in my rain garden, so it attracts a lot of these yellow finches. And the rain garden on top also attracts a lot of hummingbirds and butterflies, so I have my little urban paradise now. I mean, if you like birds, butterflies, stuff like that. And it's just such a beautiful bird, and his better half actually also comes by ever so often. And then there is another finch couple coming by, and it's, I guess, a red finch, or maybe not called red finch, but it's like red purple-ish. And yeah, it's just a beautiful sight if you love birds, of course.